Today, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple Gmail accounts so you can easily switch between personal, work, or any other email accounts without logging in and out repeatedly. This is incredibly useful if you manage more than one email address and want quick access to all of them in one place. First, open your web browser and navigate to Gmail by typing mail.google.com into the address bar. Once you're there, make sure you're signed in to your primary Gmail account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your main account. Now, look towards the top right corner of the Gmail page where you'll see your profile picture or avatar icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. This menu is your gateway to managing multiple accounts simultaneously. From the drop-down, click on Add Another Account. This is the key step that allows you to layer additional Gmail accounts onto your current session, making it simple to manage multiple inboxes without the hassle of constantly signing out and back in. Next, you'll see a prompt asking you to select the type of account you want to add. Choose Google if you're adding another Gmail account. This option also supports other email providers, but for our purposes today, we're focusing on Gmail accounts. A sign-in page will appear. Enter the email address of the additional Gmail account you want to add and click Next. After that, you'll be prompted to enter the password for this account. Type it in carefully and click Next to proceed with the sign-in process. You might encounter some on-screen instructions asking for security verification or terms acceptance. This is Google's way of ensuring your accounts remain secure. Follow these prompts as they appear to complete the addition of your new account. Once you've successfully signed in, you can easily switch between your Gmail accounts anytime. Simply click your profile picture again at the top right corner, and you'll see all your connected accounts listed. Just select whichever account you want to access, and Gmail will switch you over instantly. If you need to add even more accounts, simply repeat the process starting from clicking your profile picture. Keep in mind that Gmail allows you to add up to 5 accounts, which should be plenty for most users managing multiple email addresses. Thanks for watching.